What's up guys, it's Steve the Graphics Guy. Today I am finishing some ACM panels that we're doing, some for our office and then another one for a customer. And I just want to show you a quick video on how we utilize these MBS button cleat mounts. So it's a two-part system. This part goes on the wall, this part goes on the panel, and then just like a cleat, goes over top and snaps down, and that's what holds it onto the wall, and it snaps in just like that. Super cool, easy to use. So we have these are some service panels that we already have on the wall, but we made some slight changes. And so after we cut them out, we flipped them on the Summa and we routed out those holes that perfectly line up. So we've got some epoxy, we've got the cleats. We're going to peel the liner off of these and then we'll attach the cleats. So let's get into it. All right, so like I said, first things first, we want to get this protective liner off the back of these. And then I'm using the 3M Scotchwell DP100 Plus Clear. It's an epoxy. And so I just popped the top off there. Got my mixing tip. Pop that on. And I'm pretty much good to go. I'm gonna squeeze a little bit through the mixing tip, get some coming out so it's mixing good. And then you really don't need a lot. Show you what I got going on. All I did was that much. You don't want to put too much that it squeezes into that center part, because then that will greatly affect how the button goes on the wall. And then I have these thread forming screws that go in there and hold it down while the epoxy sets. And then they just stay there. So just like that. Just a little bit of epoxy, not too much. We're not going crazy here. Couple screws. Once these things set up, they are rock solid. All right, so there's one. They stick off about 1/4 inch. Screwed in. Wall. Pops right in. So I'm gonna zip through the rest of these and then we'll pop one on the wall and show you how it works. Ready? All right, so I've already got all the mounting on the wall, and we've got our cleats on the back of the panels. So now I just have to line these up. Making sure to get all four. And then I snap down into place. So we got surveys, design, manufacturing, and installation. There we go. So the reason we use these is so that we can interchange the graphic panels if we need to. I hope this video was helpful and gave you guys a little bit of information about how we mount panels on the wall here. If you have any questions, drop them in the comments below. Don't forget to like and subscribe to the channel if you want to see more videos like this. I appreciate you guys watching, and I'll see you in the next one.